In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal legend using a separate sheet in Tableau, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. First, let's kick things off by opening the Tableau desktop app. You'll want to make sure that you have your data already loaded because we'll be diving straight into creating visuals. Once you've fired up Tableau, head over to your worksheet. If you have multiple projects, ensure you select the correct one you'll be working on today. With your worksheet ready, our next step is to craft a visual in your first sheet. This sets up the base for the legend we're about to create. You'll begin by dragging the region field to the columns shelf. This will spread your data horizontally across your canvas, paving the way for clear distinctions between different regions. Now, bring the sales field into the rows shelf. This is where your sales data will neatly stack up corresponding to each region. Now it's time to link our regions visually. Drag the region field once more, this time to the color mark in the marks card. This will paint each region in distinct colors, instantly making your data pop with visual clarity. Next, we need to work on duplicating this sheet. To do this, simply right-click on your current sheet tab and select Duplicate. The duplicated sheet will inherit all settings from the original, which makes our job easier. Within this new duplicated sheet, change the chart type to square. This conversion is essential for neatly aligning your legend boxes horizontally later on. After rebuffing the visual style, we need to prepare the sheet for legend purposes by removing the sales field from the rows shelf. Now that our sales data is out of the picture, it's time to refine the appearance by right-clicking on the region axis and unchecking Show Header. This keeps our focus solely on the colored regions without any distraction from numbers. Now, focus on the region field in the columns. Click on it while holding down the Control key, then drag it over to the label section in the marks card. By doing this, you'll be labeling each square according to their designated region, giving your legend even more clarity. Customize the text by clicking on the label and opting for center alignment. This ensures every region name sits right in the middle of its colored box, maintaining a professional look. Next, transition into the dashboard area to pull everything together. Drag the newly created sheet into the dashboard while holding down the Shift key. This allows a floating placement, enabling you to position it wherever suits best for the presentation. Finally, streamline your legend's appearance by clicking on the drop-down menu from the sheet's corner and unchecking Title. This subtle touch keeps your dashboard looking neat and focused. And there you have it, a streamlined and visually effective horizontal legend created on a separate sheet. With these steps, you can continue to make your Tableau dashboards both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!